All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, functional programming, remove elements from an array using slice instead of splice. All right. So a common pattern while working with arrays is when we want to remove items and keep the rest of the array. All right. So JavaScript offers the splice method for this, which takes arguments for the index of where to start removing items, then the number of items to remove. If the second argument is not provided, the default is to remove through the end. However, the splice method mutates the original array it's called on. So here's an example. So we've got a bunch of cities right here. And then when we say cities.splice 3 to 1, it's going to take out London 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going to take out one thing, and it's going to be at index 3, which is London, right? So here Splice returns the string London. So this is going to return London and deletes it from the cities array. So this is going to be changed up to these 4 cities, all right? And that's what it says right here. So as we saw in the last challenge, the slice method does not mutate the original array, but returns a new one which can be saved into a variable. So we're going to recall that the slice method takes 2 arguments for the indices to begin and end the slice. The end is non-inclusive, and returns those items in a new array. So using the slice method instead of splice helps to avoid any array mutating side effects. So basically what I'm getting out of this is try to avoid splice. I mean, there's got to be reasons for splice that we don't know of yet, and I doubt that they're going to tell us. But, just keep it in the toolbox for those just in case purposes, but mainly use slice instead. That's what I'm getting out of this. So now we're going to rewrite the function non-mutating_splice by using slice instead of splice. It should limit the provided cities array to a length of 3 and return a new array with only the first 3 items. And we're not going to mutate the original array provided to the function. All right. So right now we've got splice, so let's get rid of the P, and now we've got slice. And we got to start it because right now it's starting at 3, so we got to start it at 0 instead of 3 and have a comma there and end it at 3, right? So that should work. Let's come down here and do a console.log. And what we're going to do is first let's make an array of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Let's wrap this thing up in parentheses, all right, just like that. And then in front of it, we'll put this non-mutating splice thing, function call, let's say. And there we go. And you can see right here, it turned from this to this, all right? So it looks like it works. Let's run the test. Looks good. And submit it. All right. Now we're on to combine 2 arrays using the concat method. And we'll see you next time.